It looks original. Great. It's sealed. So it's a micro reader, micro card reader. Let me open it. Oh wow, it's heavy. Silver, it's great. Wow, it's very heavy, and I believe it's great. But I'm gonna test it with my computer. It's for Type C, so I can put it on my phone and then I test it. So this is great. This is a great product. I haven't tested, but I believe it's a great product. And this is for a camera. And, oh, okay, you can turn it. Okay. Oh, okay, to any angle. So I just put out the mirror side, and now I can easily turn it. Oh, but it's paired, so left and right. That's good. That's great. And then what's this? This is okay. This is the phone stand. This is the phone stand for my car, the air condition stuff. You're gonna put this in the air condition, and then you tight it, and then you fix it here, and then you put your phone here. Oh, okay, that's great. It looks great. I think it's gonna work. I believe he's gonna hold the phone then. That's great. What's next? I have been buying a lot of stuff. I don't know, maybe almost 200 pieces of goods just within less than 2 months. Because now it takes like 3 weeks. For 2 weeks to come. And then this is what this okay, this wow, this is the Bluetooth I was waiting for. Let me see what it is. Oh wow. That's how it is. What's this? Oh great, it's Type C. What I really wanted, Type C. So I can charge it on. Oh, it's a power bank. Oh, it doesn't really look expensive, but I think we'll do the job. How do I open this? Do I have to slide it? Oh, okay. Oh, I have to slide it. I was trying to open it like that. It would break off, and I was so lucky. I have to slide it. So this is where the Bluetooth charges, and I think it will do the job. Let me see. Why is this not coming on? Okay, it's coming on now. Okay, it feels heavy a bit. I think it's great. So this is the Bluetooth. I'm gonna charge it. I'm not gonna use it. I'm gonna charge it and I'm gonna test it. So this is how it looks like when it's charging. It's 0 I just put it on a charger and I took it off 0. And the other Bluetooth, the one you put in ears, is the pins. It's charging in here, but the power bank itself, which stores the Bluetooth, it's 0. I need to charge it. So that's where it displays. Wow, it looks great. It looks great. I thought it was going to show some light here, but that's not how it is. It shows here. Okay, so I'm going to charge it. It's fine.